Pero pag gusto ko ng babae, sasabihin niya kung kailan siya free without asking them. Actually, this is half true. Though yes, they somehow tell you kung kailan sila free, pero indirectly. How they do this is they give out subtle hints kung kailan sila free. For example, sasabihin nila na, boring sa Friday, wala akong gagawin. O kaya kung may pinag-uusapan kayong place na gusto mong puntahan, sasabihin niya na, uy, maganda dun. Matagal ko nang gustong puntahan yun eh. Ganyan yung mga babaeng who's in their feminine. Though, don't get me wrong, meron pa rin mga babae na sila na mismo yung nag-aayang lumabas. And that is fine. That only means na mataas yung attraction level nila para sa'yo. Or they are the aggressive type. Pero we have to take into account na hindi lahat ng babaeng mamimit natin sa dating world ay matataas ang attraction level towards sa atin. Most of them will have an attraction level of only a 5 lang. Kaya huwag nyo aantayin na yung mga babae mismo ang magsasabi kung kailan sila free. Baka kasi nagbibigay na sila ng subtle hints kung kailan sila free, pero ikaw naman, you're not capitalizing on it. Kasi nga hinahantay mo na siya mismo yung mag-volunteer kung kailan siya free. Kung napapansin nyo na nagbibigay na ng subtle hints yung babae na they want to go out with you, capitalize on that. Halimbawa, kung nag-uusap kayo, no, and then sinabi ni girl na, ano ba yan? This Friday, boring, wala akong gagawin. Then, it's your job to ask her on a date right then and there. Kaya mga sigarilyo, pay attention to these subtle hints na binibigay sa inyo ng mga babae and capitalize on that. Well, I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace!